Hey guys, Mal from Mal Stuff here. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create your own animated videos easily utilizing a program called FlashThemes. FlashThemes is a revival of the old GoAnimate experience, if you know what GoAnimate is. Basically, it brings back all the old themes, all the social functionality, that sort of thing. However, before you create an account, there are a couple prerequisites. You will need the Flash player and a browser that supports it. As you may probably know, most modern browsers don't support Flash anymore, and all modern versions of Flash are time bombed, so they don't work anymore. However, there are builds of Flash that are designed to work past the end of life date, and there are browsers that support said versions of Flash. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to scroll down and click Get Flash. You can also do that right here, Get Flash. First, you will want to install Clean Flash. There's also a Mac OS build if you have Mac OS. As you can see, it says this isn't commonly trusted, but don't worry, you should be good. So you'll want to click on Show More, Keep Anyway. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but the process for your current browser may be different, so keep that in mind. After you have Clean Flash downloaded, then you'll want to download WaterFox Classic. Make sure you download Windows or the build for whatever operating system you're using. There we are. First thing you'll want to do is that you'll want to install Clean Flash. You'll want to check this checkbox. I am aware that Adobe Flash Player is no longer supported or provided by Adobe Incorporated. Agree to that. Make sure all of these are checked. Click Next. Make sure all of these are checked. Click Next. Click Next again. And then finally, you'll want to click Install. And there we are. We have Clean Flash installed. So we'll just want to quit out of this, and then next we will install WaterFox Classic. Click Next, click I agree. You could do standard or custom, whatever you want, but for our purposes, we will just do standard. Alright, after that, you will want to make sure Launch WaterFox Classic Now is checked, so click Finish. As you can see, it's giving you the option to import your bookmarks. Unless you want to do that, click Don't Import Anything, click Next. There we are, in WaterFox. So now what you will want to do is go to flashthemes.net on WaterFox. And as you can see right here, it says, this site uses a plugin that may slow down WaterFox. So you'll want to click Activate Adobe Flash and Allow. And remember, would you look at that? Now we have the Flash player working. Now you can go ahead, browse videos, do that sort of thing. But right now, we're going to go ahead and create an account. So you'll want to put your email address here. And you'll want to pick a display name. Some people make this their email by accident, but you'll want to make sure it's a proper display name, so I'll go ahead and call it Mal's Stuff. You can go ahead and put a password in here. Then you'll want to agree to the terms of use, and then create your account. Right here says your account has been created. In order to log in, please check your email and verify your account. Sounds like a deal. We'll go ahead, go back to our regular browser where we are logged in, and we'll go ahead, keep refreshing. It may take a few minutes for it to pop up. Keep in mind, if your email doesn't, alright, it's been a few minutes now, still hasn't shown up, but thankfully they've thought of that. So if you haven't received your verification email in your spam or your inbox, you'll want to click didn't get your verification email. Go ahead, put your email in there. Oh, that worked. Verification email sent. Okay. There we go. There is our FlashThemes email. So you will want to click here. We're going to go ahead, copy that to WaterFox. You don't need to follow suit, but just you do you. Would you look at the, oh shit, what is it doing? A little technical difficulty there, but would you look at that? Our email has been verified. Then you'll want to go to the dashboard. Of course, we want to log in for silly me. Right. And there we are. We are now in the FlashThemes dashboard. Now, before you begin using the video maker, there is a setting you will want to change in WaterFox, and that's to disable hardware acceleration on WaterFox. So you want to go ahead and go to Options, disable multi-process in WaterFox. Then go ahead and restart your browser. Why does it keep opening Steam VR? What is it doing? No, I do not want WaterFox as my default browser, thank you. Would you look at that? Our email has been verified, and we got a little badge, which grants us 10 flash tokens. As you can see, we now have 20, as if I remember correctly, you get 10 when you initialize your account. And now we're going to go ahead, upload a little profile picture, make our profile a little nice. Okay, we'll make sure it fits the frame. There we are, that's looking pretty good. Alright, that concludes my tutorial for signing up for FlashThemes. The next tutorial will be using the quick video maker. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that like button. Feel free to also subscribe, and I will be seeing you again very soon.